In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add transitions to all clips in CapCut. We'll start right inside CapCut. Open the app and create a new project so you're working on a clean timeline. If a prompt appears asking you to start a new project, confirm it and you'll land in the main editing workspace. Next, bring in your footage. Click Import to open your file browser, choose the video you want to edit, and then click the plus icon to place it on the timeline. You'll see your video appear as a single continuous clip, which is perfect for setting up transitions. To use transitions, you need separate clips. Scrub through your video and split it wherever you want a transition to appear. Look for natural edit points, scene changes, camera angle shifts, or moments with a pause in motion. The goal is to create logical breaks that enhance flow. If you split and change your mind, you can always undo, so don't worry about experimenting. Zooming in on the timeline can help you place splits more precisely. Now it's time to add transitions. Between each pair of clips, you'll see a small transition slot. Click the transition icon there, or use the transition option from the top menu. A panel will open showing different styles, things like dissolves for smooth, subtle changes, slides for directional movement, and more stylized effects if you're going for something bold. Preview a few to see how they feel with your footage, and select the one that best matches your tone. Once you've chosen a transition, adjust its duration. This controls how fast or slow the change happens. Shorter durations, like a quick dissolve, keep the pace tight and snappy. Longer durations can feel more cinematic but may slow the rhythm, so aim for a length that supports the story you're telling. If you want the same look throughout your edit, use Apply to All. On the right side settings panel, click Apply to All to instantly add that transition and duration to every cut. This is a huge time saver and keeps your style consistent across the timeline. When you're done, press play to preview the video from start to finish. Watch for any moments that feel too abrupt or too slow. If something doesn't feel right, tweak the duration or try a different transition, then apply to all again. A quick pass like this helps you lock in a clean, cohesive edit. And that's it. Import, split, choose, adjust, apply, and preview. You now have a polished sequence with transitions applied across all edits in CapCut.